Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to see screen time on Android. First of all, open the settings in your phone. Scroll down and click on Battery. You can see your screen time from here. Screen time for each individual app can be seen here. Like if you tap on Facebook, you can see your total spent time on Facebook. Then click to open YouTube in here. You can see the usage time, MBS, everything in here. So as Chrome, you can see the time you spent and MBS. Go back to battery and you can change the option from battery usage to use time. It's up to you whatever you want to see. Then explore each app that you want. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.